Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. Now you can upload 30 seconds. You still have the 15 second, but you could choose now. So let me show you exactly how to use it. First of all, just open the Instagram application in your mobile. Tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap on this plus sign right here and tap on this reel right on. Right now, if you just press the reel icon and start recording here, you will see that you have 15 seconds and you can do one clip or multiple clips. Now let me exit out of that. Now what you have to do to get 30 seconds, again make sure you update your Instagram app because this is a brand new. So look on the right side, you can see this timer 15 seconds here. If you tap on it, now you can see this, you have 30 seconds, 90 seconds and 60 seconds. So just simply tap on this 60 seconds and now as you can see it's 60. You can choose 90 here and now you can record your 90 seconds video as well. So this is going to give you another option to record a really interesting video that is longer format than the 15 seconds. I still have all my other options like effects. I want to add effects. I have all the things like music, timer, so all these things, same stuff on your Instagram Reels before with 15 seconds are available for 30 seconds, 90 seconds and 50 seconds. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.